lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a few items I've received from Kande Dips. I've done one of her dip manis on my nails, which is what I still have on right now. So I actually went ahead and ordered some stuff from her Etsy shop. She had sent me these colors to create this mani, so I just wanted to make another order, and I ended up doing two because I did one, and then she posted that she was doing a Valentine's Day bundle. So I saw those and fell in love with those. So, and I actually also won 2 free dips from posting on her new Facebook group page. So that was kind of cool. So she sent me a message on Instagram telling me that I could pick 2 other colors to add into my order. Okay, so let's see what's in here. As always, her packaging is so cute. I love these little organza bags that she wraps everything in. And she throws a little bit of like filler in here, which is nice. It matches the bag. So this was one of the ones that I had gotten for free. It's called Periwinkle. Just open this up. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't do a lot with blues, so this will be nice. It's kind of a light periwinkle color with a little bit of a shimmer to it. So that'll be really pretty. I'll probably do something with this after my Valentine's Day manis. And then this is Periwinkle Twinkle. This is another one that I had picked out for free, winning that little contest she was doing on Facebook. So this is another periwinkle color that has some more fine glitters in it. Then this is Pretty. I had actually purchased this one. Put that out of the way. And her dips are amazing. If you guys haven't tried her yet, I highly recommend it because she is an up-and-coming small business on Etsy. So I do like to support anybody that I can because I was a small business owner myself in the past. This is really pretty. It's very chunky glitter with pink and gold in it. I saw the swatch of this on her Etsy shop and I just fell in love with it. This is the second bag that was in that envelope. This is called Pinky. Very pale pink. These two would go really nice together, Pinky and Pretty. And if you'd like to try her shop out and you're looking to save some money, you can use my code Lauren10. I will post that below to save you 10% on your order. This one is Stormy. I don't have a lot of grays either, so I wanted a gray color. This is gray with like a little shimmer to it. And the last one in this package is Night, which is like a darker gray silver glitter. So on her Etsy shop, these 3 were paired together, or not 3. These 3 were put together as a trio, not paired together. So I might do something with those as well in the future in another video. Okay. And then she sent me a little card. It says, "Thanks again, girl. I'm so glad you like our dips. I can't wait to see your next mani." She is one of my subscribers here on YouTube. And then this is the box that has the Valentine's Day mani and Valentine's Day dips in it. So let me get this open. Ooh. Love the packaging. Love it, love it. Thank you so much, Karen. So she gave me this little sticker that says, feeling cute, might change my mani later. So cute. And then, actually, I take that back. So the two that I got for free were not Periwinkle and Periwinkle Twinkle. They were Party and Magic. I forgot I ordered those separately. So these are the two that I got free. I was looking at every single color she had, and I had just such a fun time shopping through her shop. So these are the two that I got free, and she stuck them in with the Valentine's Day set. So this is Party. Oh, it's so much fun. It really looks like a party in a little jar. And then this one is Magic, which is kind of like a magenta color. So cute. I think Party and Magic will look really nice together. Then these are the Valentine's Day ones she had put together. This is Midnight. Kind of like a fine black glitter. Then this one is Hottie. Again, like another pink color, so pretty. Marshmallows. It's white, gorgeous. And then number 4 in this set is Romance. Oh my goodness, love it. So many colors in here, it's just gorgeous. And then last but not least is Cupid. So pretty. I cannot wait to use these to make create one of my Valentine's Day manis for you guys. So that is all of the Valentine's Day colors that she sent me. And she also sent me these little black and white hearts. Aren't they so cute? They're so tiny. Sorry, they're so tiny and cute. I can't wait to try and use them in with one of the colors. And then this came with the set as well. It's a little nail-fee ring, yay. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I love nail-fee rings. I'm like obsessed with them. So I'll be showcasing that in one of my manis. I really like the way it looks on my pointer finger. Awesome. Thank you again, Karen. Your dips do not disappoint. I cannot wait to use them. And these are all of the colors again. Periwinkle Twinkle, Periwinkle Pinky, Stormy, and Night. So, oh, and Pretty. So those were the colors that I purchased separately. And then all of these came with the Valentine's Day set. Midnight, Cupid, Marshmallows and Romance, Hottie. That was the Valentine's set with the ring. And then I got Magic and Party for free for posting a mani in her Facebook group. Okay, I do have one more item here that I just received. It's a couple of days later since I did the other unboxing, but I just wanted to combine them into one video. This is the Diva Box from Tripleddips. I've been wanting to get this for a while now, but each time it comes out, because it only comes out on the 15th of each month, you really have to like be on the site and get it. it sells out so fast. So I was able to get the box that doesn't have the cuticle oil in it because the cuticle oil box was sold out. And they literally opened it at, I think, 6 p.m. Pacific, so it was 9 p.m. Eastern, which is my time zone. I got on at like 9:02 and the cuticle oil boxes were sold out. So, but I'm just glad that I was able to get the one box that I did. So I'm going to show you what's in here. Like I said, it's my first time getting this, so this is new for me. Oh wow, how cute. Okay, so I'll start with the extras here, which is some cute looking nail stickers for Valentine's Day. There's a sticker that says falling for Triple D. Then there's the sheet of stickers, and then the sheet of water slides for Valentine's Day. I've actually seen this one on some manis on Instagram. And these lips, oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna be using these in a future Valentine's Day video, so keep an eye out for that. She also sent a little alcohol wipe packet. And then a large cuticle stick, orange wood stick. Let me get this box out of the way, and now I'll get into the fun stuff, which is obviously the dips. Okay. So these are all called Diva Dips, as it looks like. So there's Diva Dip 73, 74, and 75. And then there is another dip called You're Glowing. So I'm guessing this is a glow in the dark and a thermal. So it says TCG. So thermal changer and a glow, which is awesome. And then there is actually a gel color in here. Delicate color gel. This is Diamond Cat Eye. Let me open this up since I have it in my hands. Oh wow, it's like a black with a little bit of a shimmer to it. I'm guessing this is going to be for doing like those cat eye manis that people do with the magnets. I haven't tried that because I don't do gel. I strictly do powder, but I might have to try that. So Diva Dip 73. Open this up. Kind of like a bright pink. It's a pretty color. Then there's Diva Dip 74, which looks like a grayish color with a little bit of a shimmer to it. And then Diva Dip 75. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a whole bunch of different colors. It's like foils. There's like a little bit of a black base to it. Really hot pink. So that'll be fun to do. And then You're Glowing, and which is the thermal changer glow. Is another pink color. So I'll be excited to see that. Maybe I'll throw up some swatches here at the end so you can see what they look like. Now I know this was kind of a long video because I did have items from Kande Dips and now this Diva Box from Triple D, and I might do another one before this video goes live that I'll just tack on to the end because I am expecting another subscription box. I'm not going to say from what company, but I might incorporate that as well. That should be to me in a few days. So yeah, if you see me come back on, that's because I got it. If not, then I'll just wrap this up and say thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I release new content. Have a great day.